bridges. You come up a little to Houston Street. At Houston Street, you have the Lillian Ward houses. And then when you go up a little more, you have the Jacob Riis houses. Jacob Riis. Those buildings over there. And if you continue over 14th Street, 14th Street, where those stacks are, Con Edison stacks. On the other side, and you have the Stuyvesant houses. So the Jacob Riis houses go all the way up there. Where that boat is passing right there, Jacob Riis. Jacob Riis. Lillian Wald. Baruch houses. And of course, that's the Williamsburg Bridge. Ferry comes in, NYC Ferry. So, if you work in Manhattan, you take the ferry from here. The ferry takes you to 34th Street. 34th Street, east side. This park here is named Domino Park, after the sugar factory. To bring in the raw sugar here on the boat. I remember working over here, coming down here to work. The boat on the ship that brought in sugar. So the warehouse is right there, right where that building stands. The trucks used to back in, load it up with sugar. Right here, Domino Park. Open from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. Do not enter outside hours of operation. Back then, this was all part of the property. The Domino Sugar factory. This is all new.
Niggas wasn't eating that. You know what it was? That weed was valuable.
The ferry here, NYC Ferry. Currently charge $4. They used to charge $2.90. Now it's $4. It beats traveling in the subway. There's somebody to push you into the tracks. Place opening May 9th.
Yeah, true. But if you wanted, I don't know if you wanted to go to the vintage shop.
Another two.